If you are hungry to create wealth and build a legacy like me, watch this video.
There's only 3 ethical ways to get rich. The first is to inherit it, and that's not happening for you. The second is to outsmart everyone. Easier said than done. You're not Satoshi Nakamoto. So there's only one option left, and that's outwork every man breathing. Learn until your brain bleeds. Fail until your soul hardens. Adapt, repeat, and when everyone else quits, that's when you start. Because while they're sleeping, you're becoming inevitable.
Now, you've seen it. You don't have anyone. You don't have an uncle to give you money. You don't have a relative to stand for you. You want to start a business today. You don't have a head start. You don't have a startup capital. And you're sleeping. You're waking up in the morning. You're pressing your phone. All you can do is go on the internet, go on TikTok. I pity you. I am deeply sorry for you. If you want to build wealth, if you're hungry, you have to outsmart, you have to outwork, you have to push, you have to run faster than Usain Bolt. You have to become the fastest person thinking, and not just thinking, but putting it into action. Look, if you have faith and you don't work, you are gone. It's as good as not having anything at all. So I challenge you this very moment. If you're hungry for finances, you're hungry for wealth, you want to have a legacy, you want to leave a generational wealth, you want to make sure that your next generation, your children, do not go through the same thing you went through. Maybe you want to give them a better start. Maybe you want to make sure that the next 2, 3, 4th generation to come will thank you forever. Then you have to start working. And we are building a community that will help young people, 1 million Nigerians in year 2035, become financially free. So what are you doing? You want to do it alone. Most times in this country, most times in this society, most times in our local places, we cannot do it alone. And that is why we need people who can motivate. You need a circle. You need people who can be there for you. You need people who can motivate you. You need someone who can hold you by your hands and say, hey bro, Simon, you are not doing anything this week. You have not done anything this week. And that is what the Digital Wealth Academy is for you. Click on this video, join this community, subscribe, make sure that you show up here every day, because all we want to do is to create an avenue for you to become financially free. We are there. We've been there. We are still rolling. We are still grinding every single day. We don't have anyone to give us money to start. We don't have anyone to tell us that, hey, Simon, this is $2 million. This is $500,000. This is even 100 million naira for you to start, whatever it is that you want to start. So why sleep around? No, tell me. Why wake up in the morning and all you could do is TikTok? Why all you could do every single day is scrolling Instagram, Facebook, without giving into those platforms that can help you generate wealth? There are digital ways of making money. And at Digital Wealth Academy, I am ready. I am there for you. Like I will always say, building wealth is very possible. If you're willing, I am in. And the rest will be history.